Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to convert multiple images to PDF easily. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for small PDF. Open the official website. Then from the Tools section, select JPEG to PDF. After that, click Choose Files and upload all the images you want to combine. You can select multiple photos at once, and they will all upload to the site. Once the images appear, you can rearrange them in any order you prefer. Simply drag each picture to its correct position. When everything looks right, click Convert. The tool will process your images and create a single PDF file. After the conversion finishes, you will see a preview of your PDF. Finally, click Download to save the combined file to your device. So that's basically how you can convert multiple images to PDF easily. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.